Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade using interactive brokers step by step. Log into Client Portal, navigate to the Account Management Center, and link your bank for funding immediately. Verify identity documents and accept margin or cash account terms. Choose the desktop or web platform, enable two-factor authentication, and set up market data subscriptions you need. Make sure buying power reflects your deposit before placing any live trades. Open the Trade tab, enter the symbol, and pick the market or exchange you prefer to use. Select your order type, set a realistic limit price if you want control, and choose day or GTC for time and force. Review estimated commissions and SEC or exchange fees, then confirm buying power and margin requirements. Submit the order and watch fills in the activity panel while keeping an eye on open positions. If this walkthrough is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear trading guides. Quick recommendation: I love comfy socks during long sessions. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for that link and other deals to save a bit while you learn. Your support means a lot, and now let's get back to the video. Always plan your exit before entering a trade and use stop losses to enforce discipline. Calculate position size based on a fixed percentage risk per trade and adjust for volatility or trade conviction. Keep margin usage conservative and check maintenance requirements daily to avoid forced liquidations. Diversify across sectors or instruments to reduce idiosyncratic risk, and use paper trading to refine orders and execution strategies before committing real capital in live markets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.